What's up, display wallers? Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna have a full-on battle styles video before Chilling Rain completely takes over. So let's get into it. Okay, honey bun, you go first.
Yeah. Oh.
There goes the phone.
Our phones are screen where we can see ourselves. Or my phone. Oh, it actually matched the outer packaging. Cool.
Yeah.
Have they ever made a pack art with Gyarados on it?
Yeah, the red Gyarados.
Oh, Breakpoint.
Breakpoint.
Forgot about that.
There might have been one maybe earlier, I don't know.
I know, but I want like a blue Gyarados. Like a regular old Gyarados.
Energy.
Garkle. Morpeko. Durant. Bellsprout. Onyx. Spearow. Sizzlepede. Shinx. Reverse Hollow Onyx. And an Entei. Hello.
I think we already have that Entei.
We do?
I think that's our first pack we opened. I think we pulled that Entei.
It was
Or in
our
our
first
first
video.
opening, yeah.
Yeah, it was in our first opening.
Don't worry about that. If we have a double of that, don't worry about sleeving it.
I'm not sure. That's why
Okay.
I'm on the wrong side.
You're always on the wrong side.
No, I claimed the chair again. You notice how he's wearing a jacket when it's 110 degrees here?
You've got it freezing in the house.
It's 73!
Still freezing.
In what world is that freezing? You're gonna do it wrong if you don't.
1, 2, 3, 4. Energy.
Weeping Bell. Phoebe. Phoebe?
Something like that.
Hantro. Cherubi. Silicobra. Galarian Mr. Mime. Bellsprout. Onyx. Reverse Hollow Tool Jammer. And a Victini V! Sweet! I don't know if we have them because the last video, when we thought we had the Empoleon V, we actually did not have it. So, give it up. So.
Maybe.
It's hard to keep track of what you do have and what you don't have anymore because there's several like V's of different like there's several Victini V's from different sets.
And also when you open a bunch.
Yeah. We open more Pokemon cards than one human should. Energy. Single Strike Style Mustard. Golbat. Bruno. Timber. Tepig. Glammeow. Silicobra. Brillish. Reverse Hollow Baltoy. And a Centiskorch.
Nice.
Gonna open yours up?
Yeah.
Yeah?
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 Yeah.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
I've been hovering over my phone because my gecko's about ready to lay eggs. I have a camera on her. Fun fact. So, if you guys like reptiles by any chance, you can go follow me at Vanny Reptiles. He puts up with all 27 of them.
Mm-hmm.
Energy. Camping gear. Seadra. That's, you can probably hear our ice machine in the video. This mic picks up everything. Mankey. Sizzlepede. Baltoy. Rollicoli.
Reverse hollow. And
Electivire. Empoleon. I love Empoleon. I love Piplup. Piplup's so cute and little. So little. What? So little and cute.
sometimes I wonder about you.
We should bring one of my snakes into the video one day. Because they're little and cute. Karina's focus. Garkle. Morpeko. So little and angry. Now I'm just irritating him. Tepig. Pachirisu. Mindfu.
Oh, I don't get irritated.
Baltoy. Galarian Mr. Mime, Reverse Holo Spoink, and a Lurantis.
Sometimes I just wonder why.
Why what? You married me?
No, not at all.
No, because I question that too. But why I married you?
Because I'm awesome.
It's because you're cute. It's the accent. It's only the accent.
I'll take it.
Energy, Cacturn, Level Ball, Single Strike Style Energy, Frillish, Esper, Blipbug, Silicobra, Houndour, Reverse Holo Crawdont, and a Centiskorch. Oh yeah! Girls in South Africa don't find your accent cute because you don't have an accent. So it's only girls in America that think you have an accent and think you're cute for it. Right?
I am cute.
So you only get that bonus here in America. Oh, that's in South Africa, they're like, eh. Right? Am I right?
I can't say on camera what I want to say.
I know. That's why I'm teasing you right now. Because we're child friendly. Family friendly, right?
No,
PG.
easy.
Durant. Single Strike Style Mustard. Cheryl. Fomantis. Spearow. Zubat. Cubone. Frillish. Reverse Holo Octillery. And a Meowstic.
We already got that.
Yeah, like twice. Your last one. Man! Usually I do really good.
This is gonna be the pack that makes it.
Better be.
Makes it or breaks it.
You gotta have myth videos to have the amazing videos like the Charizard.
You still dwelling on that?
Yeah. Until we get another one. But I refuse to open up any more shiny fates. Energy. Weeping Bell.
See, my first one was also Energy and a Weeping Bell, and then I pulled a Victini.
Oh, so maybe this is gonna be good. Swordward and Shieldbert. Murkrow. Topic. Honedge. Electabuzz. Baltoy. Reverse Holo Drampa.
Close your eyes.
Uh-uh.
And
Conkeler.
dud.
You ruined the party.
Well, that kind of sucks. Oh, there goes my night. Alrighty, guys. Not the greatest opening for our last video dedicated to battle styles.
That we know of.
Yeah, if we do more battle styles, we'll probably do some Chilling Reign or any stuff, other stuff with it.
Probably.
Because, you know, Chilling Reign.
Yeah.
It's coming. It's coming! Well, as always, comment down below, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, stay weird, stay nerdy, see you on the next one.